Yo, 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 yo. How you guys doing? You know what I'm saying? Your boy Tony from Cali once again. Yeah. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. Bro building. That's a FedEx truck just driving in. That's my boy. Bro building, bro budget EV conversion, mini EV conversion. And we're talking about BRO-BOTIC right now. BRO-BOTIC, okay? The BRO-BOTIC series, okay? This is gonna be my latest videos on BRO-BOTIC. And for people that don't know what BRO-BOTIC is, basically we're talking about robotic technology, but I don't call it robotic technology. It's BRO-BOTIC. You know what I'm saying? You know how my branding goes. We talk about broadcasting, but we don't call it broadcasting. We call it broadcasting. Okay? All my stuff has the big bro in there, the big bro. So, BRO-BOTIC technology, broadcasting, just a lot of bro stuff happening. Okay? And this is Bro Budget. We talk about Bro Budget Monday. So happy Bro Budget Monday, and we're going to talk about once again Bro Budget Monday, EV conversion, mini EV conversion, all that, mini and large EV conversion. But we're not going to do the large EV conversion right now. So I want to give you guys an update on what's going on. We got the one we just built is the same thing. You guys been seeing it, but now when you look in the front, you see the digital display. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, it's just kind of tacky. It's kind of tacked in there, not all perfect yet. But anyway, it's the digital display that we got in here. And that's showing the voltage right now. It says 20 volts there. This is the buck converter. Remember I told you we was going to get the buck converters? So we finally got them in. Amazon, bam, delivered them this morning. And yeah, the buck converter's in. When I turn it on, oh shoot, yeah. When I turn it on, you see the lights flashing on the side and everything. Hopefully you can see that. That's the other switches, the electric RC switches, and the ESCs, electric speed controllers. I just put them all on the side because I wanted to see what was going on when I was building this thing. So I'm trying to keep a lot of this stuff. We're gonna we may put like some plexiglass or something on the side. I love looking at my electronic parts and things of that nature. So that's what we got. Got the digital display in front, and it's just in one of my old packages. I think like packages of the batteries, 99-cent batteries. Okay, just keep it. You know how you get the package and you take the batteries out? Well, this is like the front of the package. I don't remember what was in there exactly. I think it was the 99-cent batteries from the 99-cent store, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, whatever. And I just stuck that over the front to kind of protect it a little bit. But this is the buck converter. I'm gonna show you what the buck converter also looks like. We're gonna set the car down for a minute. Okay, looks like it was about to take off. I gotta check make sure I got no remotes. So the packages, this is what it came in today. It was an Amazon package. I got 4 of them for a low price of only, I think it was like $9.99, which is a great deal. So I'm gonna take one of them out, and they're in these little packages right here, individual packages wrapped in, they call this ESD, I forgot what they call this, ESD, electric static discharge packaging. So it protects the circuit boards and that type of thing, okay? Electric static discharge. Now when you're working with this, you're supposed to be grounded, and you're supposed to be working on a bench and all that kind of stuff. I used to do that back in the day. Work for Hewlett Packard, Packard Bell, Apple, Remco Research. I can just go on Frontier Electronics. I work for a lot of electronic stores, a lot of electronic places. At the U.S. Army Depot, I also worked. So I know a lot about electric static discharge. When you're working with these components, you're really supposed to ground yourself and all that kind of stuff. I haven't done that in a while, actually. So I've been pretty lucky. But what that does, that sustains the, you know, you may have something happen in the future where an IC or something is destroyed, and it's because you weren't grounded, and you know you blew a circuit by having electricity. You know how you shock somebody, you touch somebody, you shock somebody. Well, that can go into your board and you can destroy your board. So you're supposed to be grounded when you're putting these components together. Just keeping it real. Electric static discharge. These are ESD bags. Electric static ESD bags. So what we're gonna do, I'll go ahead and bust this one open real quick, which I shouldn't be doing because I should be grounded, but I really haven't ran into that problem in a long time. And that's when you're working in a factory. When I worked for Hewlett Packard, Packard Bell, Apple, and all these other companies back in the day, you had to be grounded because you didn't want to destroy electronic components going down the assembly line and that type of thing. As a technician, when you're working on stuff, you don't want to destroy something that can, it may fail later on in the future. So you could sell a computer to somebody, and then all of a sudden 2 months down the line, it's not going to start, it's going to stop working because electrostatic discharge has destroyed part of the circuit that you could not see with the naked eye. That's what this is all about. ESD, but we're not going to do a class on ESD, electric static discharge. I'm going to pull it out, show you guys what the board looks like. It's not that complex or anything, but that's what the board looks like. Can you guys see that? Okay, this is a buck converter. I told you guys about that the other day, a buck converter. So I got 4 of these for like $9.99. I was like, hey, I gotta get it. So I ordered these yesterday and got them today, overnight. Now, what we're also gonna talk about is I ordered 2 more horns. I got a total of 3 horns now, okay? One of them is on the wheelchair, we're keeping it real. Mom's wheelchair converted to the, what did we convert it to? It's also converted to an RC, I don't know, RC vehicle. That's actually gonna be the truck, hopefully. I still got the truck for it, the red 6x6 truck that we got. That's gonna go on that wheelchair, believe it or not. So you guys seen that a couple days ago. We call that the Bro, what do we call that? The Bro 6x6. I haven't thought of another name yet right now, but that's the Bro 6x6 truck, okay? And it's not a Ford. It kind of says Ford on the front, but it doesn't. It's from China, and it's I got it on a budget. It doesn't say Ford, it says Port. But we don't know what we're gonna call it yet. I think we call it the Bro-Sadis, yeah. We might take that Ford off and put a Bro-Sadis symbol in there, and we might call it the Bro-Sadis 6x6 truck. We may call it the Bro-Sadis. That's just what I do. I can rename anything I want, because that's me. That's what I do. I'm Tony from Cali. I can name anything I want. So we may name that the Bro-Sadis. We're renaming a lot of our cars Bro-Sadis. We may name it something else. We may name it a Rolls Royce truck or something, if I get a Rolls Royce emblem. But I think we're going to keep it a Bro-Sadis. I'm going to get the Bro-Sadis emblem that lights up. I should have bought that. I actually was going to get that a while back and I didn't get it. Maybe we'll get next payday. But what I wanted to talk about is I have a horn on the wheelchair. You seen that a couple days ago. We were just testing it out. Haven't mounted it yet. We're going to probably mount it tonight or tomorrow. That's called a train horn. That's a train horn. Very, very loud. We got one on here too. So once again, since I redesigned it, the digital display is right here in front. The train horn is right here, right underneath, and you can barely see it. It looks pretty cool, kind of blends in now. And that's the train horn. So we have a train horn on here as well. And we're gonna test this out in a little bit. And what I wanted to say before we test this out, I ordered 2 more. And I'm gonna tell you guys about this. It's a great, great deal. I got that one for like $21, keeping it real, plus tax. I don't know, it might have been 22 or something by the time, 22, 23, by the time I paid for it. Then I bought the other one for 22, 23, same thing. Then I bought the other one for 22, 23. So they do add up. And these are all on individual different vehicles. The first one is on the Bro-Sadis, the green Bro-Sadis. The green Bro-Sadis, we have one on there. You guys haven't heard it yet because I haven't busted it out yet because I'm still working on it. Trying to tie up all the wires and make everything work perfect. It has a hydraulic system with the camera, with the pan tilt and all that kind of stuff. That's also a BRO-BOTIC system. We call it the BRO-BOTIC Bro-Sadis. I think we need to put that name in front of all of our products. So that's the BRO-BOTIC Bro-Sadis, or BRO-BOTIC Mini Bro-Sadis. Okay, that's what we're going to call that one, something like that. And it's also for broadcasting. So it's a BRO-BOTIC Bro-Sadis broadcaster, not broadcaster. Let me say it again. BRO-BOTIC Bro-Sadis broadcaster. We're not a broadcaster, okay? A broadcaster is somebody that works out there in the industry that's doing a lot of broadcasts, that's on television and doing all kind of television production. I'm not a broadcaster. I'm a broadcaster. Okay? Remember that. Broadcaster. Remember that name. So this will be the BRO-BOTIC Bro-Sadis broadcaster. That's the other one that we have, the green one, the green car. It also has a computer on it right now. We have a computer. It's a lot of work that I'm putting into that one. A computer. I just added more speakers. I added a lot of stuff to that car. So that's like my main baby right now. That's a sample of what I could do on a larger scale. And I am going to do on a larger scale eventually. So the Geo Metro, the 1992 Geo Metro that we have at the EV shop, that's going to be a Bro-Sadis too. We're going to get the Bro-Sadis logo. We're going to put that on there. We may change the grill, put the Bro-Sadis logo in the grill. It's going to light up. It's going to be a Bro-Sadis when I get done with it. It's really a Geo Metro, but we're changing it to a Bro-Sadis because we can do that. That's what I can do, okay? Okay, so I'm keeping it real. Okay, so what I did is I ordered more horns, and I want to tell you the reason why. I got a real great deal last night. Horns for 15 bucks. I was paying 20, 21, 22, whatever, maybe 23 by the time tax and shipping and all that kind of stuff. $15. Read my lips. Read my big bro budget lips. $15. I had to get it. I had to. Okay, I'm keeping it real. So I just like, bam, hit the button, Amazon, boom. take my last 15 bucks. You know, I'm just keeping it real. I get paid in a couple days, I should be all right. But I tell you guys still, hey, don't hate, don't wait, donate, help a brother out. If you like what I'm telling you, I'm giving you all these gems. I'm giving you all these great deals, all these gems, telling you what's up. So, you know, help a brother out. 15 bucks for a train horn. $15, you can't even get that at a wrecking yard. Sure, if you go to a wrecking yard, you might spend $10, I don't know. But these are brand new in the box. I was gonna bring the box out here, but you guys look at my past videos and you'll see what the box looks like and everything, okay? Anyway, that's enough of that. I ordered 2 more. They'll be here tomorrow morning. And this is the funny thing. It said overnight Amazon, overnight Amazon, overnight Amazon. It said between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. Oh, between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. I was like, wow. So I'll be getting it in the morning. I'll probably get it like 7 o'clock in the morning. Keeping it real, okay? 2 more train horns. Now, why did I order 2 more train horns? Well, one is going to be for the new green EV that we just got a couple days ago. Haven't took it apart yet. We're going to wash it up, clean it up, and all that kind of stuff. I took it to the mini BRO EV facility yesterday. Finally dropped it off. I had it in the car for like 2 days, okay? Took it to the facility yesterday because I had to do laundry. I had to do a whole lot of stuff yesterday, keeping it real. Because, you know, I work. I'm letting you guys know. A lot of people don't think I work. I work for IHSS, you know, in-home support services. I'm keeping it real for the state of California. Keeping it real. That's my job. Taking care of my dad. Because a lot of people, I'm letting you guys know, a lot of people don't watch the videos. They don't understand what's going on. They're like, Tony, you need to go out there and gamble. You need to do this. You need to do that. No, I don't gamble no more. I don't go to the clubs no more. I don't do none of those things. Look at me. Do I look like I go to the club? Looking like an old geezer. Anyway, so I don't gamble no more. I don't go out. My goal is I take care of my dad, pay bills, do what I got to do. And I got a little hobby, so every now and then I'm able to buy these little mini toys and whatever and have some fun. Most of my Power Wheel cars I've been getting for like 20 bucks. Sometimes they give them away for free. I got a bunch of free ones. I think I picked up probably about at least 6 free cars, okay? And now I do have a total of probably about, I haven't done an inventory, but I'm gonna say about 20 now. I should have about 20 Power Wheels. That was my goal anyway, to have about 20 ride-on Power Wheel type cars, okay? Some of them are all tore up and whatever. Some of them are not that great. I might take the motors out. I might take the batteries out. I might take the motor controllers out, whatever. Just fun stuff. So those are for the EV shop. We got Jeeps. I know one thing. I got a Jeep. I got 2. I got a Tacoma truck I just got not too long ago. I got that for 20 bucks. You guys seen that? Look at the videos. I got the Ford truck. The Ford F1 5.0. We haven't done anything with that yet. That's going to be worked on. 20 bucks. I got that for 20 bucks. Couldn't beat it. What was the other one? How you doing? And then I got, I'm trying to think. I got a bunch of them for 20 bucks. And then the one we just got, we're going to talk about that. I think it was the 2000 MX something, but it was a UTV. The UTV that I showed you guys, I think it was yesterday. I showed you guys that video yesterday or the day before. That video of that vehicle is going to go on the original BRO Rover ATV frame. So if you go back, watch my videos, look at the BRO Rover. Yeah, that's the one that I fell off of. Yeah, I'm keeping it real. That was very tragic. I cut my arm, all skin off all my skin right here. Got scuffed up here, scuffed up here. Yeah, I learned from that. But we're still going to be rolling it. That one goes pretty fast. So that one right now will go between 15, 20 miles an hour, depending on your weight. And I can make it go even faster. I can make it go 30 to 40 to 50 miles an hour. But we're not trying to kill myself on it. Because you see I fell off that mug already. That BRO Rover, that was the original BRO Rover. We have decided to make that one right now. We're going to make it the BRO. We changed out. It could be BRO Rover still because I got the body already cut out. So I can take that body and I can put it on different units. And I think I need to change those wheels too. I might change those wheels because I got another one in storage that's exactly like that one. But the wheels are white. The wheels are black and those wheels are white. I don't like those white wheels. So we may put the black wheels on there and then we might put like a green hubcap in there to kind of match it. The theme of that unit is green and black. We got a golf cart steering wheel on there and that's why it made me fall off because the golf cart steering wheel was too loose and the golf cart steering wheel, I was going fast and all of a sudden I tried to turn and it came loose. It came loose from my little bro rigging setup. I did a bicycle clamp and I had an actual real steering wheel column that was part of it. And then I chopped the handlebars and did some crazy junk, and it was working for a while, but it came loose. And when I was trying to turn, it didn't turn, and I fell down. Go back and look at the old videos. The Bro Rover, it's called the Bro Rover. That was crazy. So I have the Bro Rover right now. We actually have that one in the house, and I've been working on it. I got a gaming seat for it. My goal was to get a gaming seat for it, so I got a gaming seat, and I paid, I'll keep it real, I paid like $50 for the gaming chair. I was trying to get it cheaper, but you know, the guy wanted 70, I got him down to 50.